how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to external wallet. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to the Venmo app and hit crypto at the bottom right. Select your crypto that you want to send, let's say Bitcoin, right? And hit the arrow next to buy, right? The arrow thing. This refers to exchange. They're gonna ask you for some information. Continue to add your information like social security number, etc. So afterwards, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see the same button and you're gonna be able to transfer. Hit send, right, to external Bitcoin address or Venmo customer. And you can add the name, BTC address, or ENS, right? Paste the address or the name and make sure it's identical so you don't lose the Bitcoin. And afterwards, select the price you want to send, the price of Bitcoin in our case, and then you're gonna be able to confirm that transaction. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.